An item here on the weather now. Activities at most beaches in Mombasa were today disrupted by strong winds and high waves being experienced over the coast of Kenya, Tanzania and Somalia as a result of the Tropical Cyclone Ialy. Fishermen who ventured out to sea early in the morning were hard hit and compelled to cut short their fishing expeditions and return to the shore due to the rough seas. This comes as Kenya Meteorological Department issued a warning, by the way, to Kenyans in the coastal region against venturing into the ocean by use of small boats. Why? They risk being swept away by the strong winds resulting from Cyclone Ialy. Here's that report.
At the Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach, low turnout of beachgoers characterized the better part of the day as strong winds and giant waves brought about by Tropical Cyclone Ialy hit the shoreline. Activities at the beach, such as boat riding and jet skiing, were also called off by the boat owners owing to the strong winds. On its part, the Kenya Meteorological Department issued a stern warning to Kenyans in the coastal region against venturing into the ocean by use of small boats. Fishermen who went for fishing early morning say they faced challenges and were forced to abandon their fishing activities and return to shore.
Kama sasa hivi mimi ni mtu ambaye huenda na timu yangu nikaja na kilo 60, 50, 40, leo tunkuja na kilo 5 kwa ajili ya upepo. Kisha hivi tunavyosema ule mtego wetu tunaovulia pia tumeshindwa kuupakia kwa boti, kabidi tuache huko turudi hivi kwa kunusuru mabaharia wangu uliokuwa nao.
Sasa ni mambo ya kujihadhari. Jambo la kwanza usiende mbali. La pili ni urauke uingie pale baharini. Alafu urudi mapema. Ujue maji yanaenda, utayafuata ukavue. Wakati kwa maji yanarudi, nawe urudi mapema. Usikae kule mpaka maji yakajaa.
In Kilifi, strong winds swept through parts of the county. Tropical Cyclone Ialy was formed in the Indian Ocean south of Seychelles on Tuesday last week, moving at 35 kilometers per hour. And the difference between Tropical Cyclone Ialy and its sister Tropical Cyclone Hidai is that its path is towards the equator and will move to close to 3 degrees south before dissipating at low speeds of 55 kilometers per hour.